guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to do my empties, and there is a declutter in here that is a makeup item, which I think is pretty interesting. So if you're interested in seeing what it is that I used up and finished this month and the item that I'm decluttering, then keep watching. So let's get into the good stuff. I first am super proud of myself. Finished a primer. Now this is my all-time favorite primer. I am now using a backup that I have purchased of this. This is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I had this in a Partners in Cream project pan that I was working on, so you can see kind of my lines, and I was able to finish it up this month. I love this stuff. Kind of like a pearlescent shimmer kind of shade, so it brightens up the skin and just kind of gives a nice like moisturizing finish. So I use this without putting on like a face moisturizer and a primer. This is kind of like a 2-in-1 product. No SPF in here, but I like to use it too with my BB cream. I always use my Smashbox Camera Ready BB cream. So I'll pair it with this, or I'll use my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation with this. So my all-time favorite, and I already have a backup of it. Next thing here is a little guy of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is in the scent Vanilla Cookie, and I use this all the time, just kind of on its own in the big tub. This is no scent to it. It's, I think, fragrance free for like the normal tub, but come Christmas time they have Vanilla Cookie that comes out. I didn't really notice that much of a scent with this cream, but I did really like using it. This is perfect for a hand cream, especially when you have this little squeeze tube. It is perfect to kind of just throw in your bag, keep in your car, that kind of stuff. But you can also use it all over your body, legs, belly, all, you know, wherever you need to put it. So this is great. It has not flamed up any eczema or anything like that, and is really good for sensitive skin. Talking about sensitive skin, I have finished up, this is the Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash, Soothes Itchy and Dry Skin. So this is fragrance free, and if you have not been following me, I am now in my second trimester for baby number 2, and I tend to get a little bit more sensitive and hives, flare-ups, things like that when I am pregnant. I love using Bath & Body Works products and like other products like that, but come this time I am trying to be a little bit kinder to my skin, and this has been doing a really good job. It is fragrance free. It is very moisturizing, which is awesome. You can purchase this at Target. That's where I get it. So I am working on another bottle of this and really enjoy it. Before I switch to that, however, I do still have Bath & Body Works hanging around. Now, I was actually, before I got pregnant, told not to use like the Bath & Body Works hand soaps and body washes because they were drying out my skin when I went to the dermatologist, like literally like a month before everything pregnancy happened wise. So I'll probably not be purchasing any more of the shower gels or hand soaps. If I do purchase the hand soaps, they'll probably only be like in the summertime. Right now I'm switching and using the Method one, and I think, what is it? Not Dial, maybe Dove has another one. So I'm using kind of just normal drugstore ones right now, but I do really like the scent Forever Red, and I had a body wash of it. So if you aren't bothered by scented products and things like that, this one is a really nice one to have. It used to be like an old retired fragrance, but they have brought it back, and I think it's around year-round. So this one is a really nice fragrance. It is Fiery Pomegranate, Rare Fresh Peach, Luminous Apple, Red Peony, Night Marigold, Red Osmanthus, Rich Vanilla Rum, Velvety Marshmallow, and Oakwood. So really like that one. I have 2 of the same product, but I love it. I don't think I even have a backup of this. I need to go and purchase some more. Actually, no, I think I just bought one from Amazon. But this is the Redken All Soft Heavy Cream. I use this all the time as my conditioner, and my all-time favorite. Keeps my hair really soft, helps with any breakage, smells pretty good, and it's just really thick, moisturizing without making your hair dandruffy. So if you're looking for a conditioner that's a little bit more heavy duty but not like a deep conditioner, this one is a really nice one to try out. The last thing before I get to the declutter is a candle. This is the Bath & Body Works Pumpkin Apple Candle, and I know this is such a weird candle to have in April time to burn, but it's what I wanted to burn. I have a whole kind of stockpile there, but majority of them are fall winter scents. this one I was just in the mood for, and this one is Red Delicious Apple, Fall Pumpkin, Ground Cinnamon, and Clove Buds. I really like this scent. I burned so many of them in the fall time. When they come out with more, I definitely will grab some. This isn't my husband's favorite scent. I don't know though if it's because I burned in the springtime versus fall time, so he didn't have a problem with it before. But I like this one, it's pretty good. And then the declutter that I have in here is a Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Now, I was having such a hard time using this eye primer. I will show you guys. I would shake it up and it wouldn't even really matter. So it would just kind of juice out. I don't know if you see that liquid that just ran down my hand, but it was so liquidy. The product's just so separated. I got this from Ulta, but it just was so separated and disgusting to use. I am tired of it and not wanting to use it anymore. So I actually switched Super Drugstore to the e.l.f. eyelid primer, and that is what is on my eyes today. I've already been strawberry picking. It is what, 3:15, and my eyeshadow has remained since about 7 o'clock this morning. So check that one out. They do sell e.l.f. products at Target, I think Walgreens as well. So check them out because I think it's just $3. Now it is way less product than the Too Faced one, but it doesn't separate like that for me, and it does a good job. But that is everything for this Empties and Declutter for the month of April. It is officially May, which is crazy. I feel like right now everything is kind of going super fast, so I'm really excited. So stay tuned to see what I can use up this month. I definitely am getting down to the nubs on a lot of makeup products and skincare, so I hope to share with you guys those very soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.